Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. Today, we will talk about a very important topic, body fitness. And to make our learning fun, we have our student Aisha with us again. Hello, Aisha.
Hello, sir. I'm very happy to be here today.
We're happy to have you, Aisha. So, before we begin, can you tell our listeners what comes to your mind when you hear the words body fitness?
I think of exercise, healthy food, and feeling strong.
Very good. That's a simple and clear answer. Body fitness means keeping your body healthy, active, and strong. It's not just about being slim, it's about feeling good, having energy, and taking care of your health.
Yes, sir. I think sometimes people only care about looking good, not feeling good.
That's true. Fitness is more than looks. It's about health and happiness. Vocabulary tip. The word fitness comes from fit, which means in good shape.
So, fitness means the state of being fit, right?
Exactly. Very good, Aisha.
Thank you, sir.
Now, let me ask, do you think body fitness is important for everyone or only for people who want to lose weight?
I think it's important for everyone, sir, because if you are fit, you can do everything better. You can study, work, or play with more energy.
Excellent point. Grammar tip. When we talk about general truths, we use the present simple tense. For example, fitness is important for everyone. Or, exercise helps us stay healthy.
Oh, so it's like when I say water is good for health.
Perfect example. You understand it well.
Thank you, sir.
So, Aisha, tell me honestly, do you exercise every day?
Not every day, sir, but I try. I do some walking and stretching.
That's good. Even small steps count. You don't have to go to the gym to be fit. Walking, stretching, dancing, all help.
That's true, sir. I like walking in the evening. It helps me feel calm.
That's a great habit. Expression tip. It helps me feel calm means it makes you relaxed and peaceful.
Yes, sir. After walking, I sleep better too.
Wonderful. So, for our listeners, let's remember, fitness is not only about exercise. It's also about food, sleep, and daily habits.
Yes, sir. I learned that when I was feeling tired last year.
Oh, really? Tell us what happened.
I used to eat a lot of fast food and drink too many soft drinks. I didn't move much. I used to watch TV or use my phone all day.
I see. That's what we call a sedentary lifestyle, when you sit a lot and don't move enough.
Sedentary lifestyle. That's a new word for me. How do you say it correctly, sir?
Good question. Pronunciation tip. Sedentary is said as sed-en-tary. It means sitting most of the time.
Sedentary. Okay, I'll remember that.
Excellent. So, how did you feel when you had that lifestyle?
Honestly, sir, I felt lazy and weak. I had no energy. Even small work made me tired.
That's very common. Many people feel like that when they don't move much. The body becomes weak and even the mind feels slow.
Yes, sir. I also felt sad sometimes without any reason.
That happens too. When we don't take care of our body, it affects our mind. Grammar tip. When you talk about how you felt in the past, use past tense. For example, I felt lazy. I didn't have energy. I ate too much fast food.
Oh, I understand. So now I can say, I felt tired, but now I feel better.
Perfect, Aisha. Great example.
Thank you, sir.
So, what made you decide to start thinking about fitness?
One day I went to the park with my friends. We played badminton, but After just 5 minutes, I was out of breath. I couldn't play anymore. My friends laughed, but not in a bad way. They said, Aisha, you need some exercise.
Oh, I see. That must have been a funny but important moment.
Yes, sir. That day I realized I should start taking care of myself.
And that realization is powerful. Expression tip. I realized means you became aware of something or understood it clearly.
I realized that I was not giving my body enough care.
Exactly. That's a good sentence.
Thank you, sir.
So after that day in the park, did you make a plan to change?
Not right away, sir. I started slowly. First, I decided to drink more water and sleep early.
That's a great start. You don't need to make big changes in one day. Small steps are the best.
Yes, sir. I read somewhere, don't try to be perfect. Try to be better than yesterday.
That's one of my favorite quotes. And it's a great message for fitness and English learning both.
I agree, sir. Both need time and patience.
That's right, Aisha. So let's end this first segment with a short summary for our listeners. Summary. 1. Fitness means being healthy and strong, not just looking slim. 2. It's for everyone, not only people who want to lose weight. 3. Small steps like walking and sleeping early can make a big difference. 4. Remember, don't try to be perfect. Try to be better than yesterday.
That's a beautiful summary, sir.
Thank you, Aisha. And in the next segment, we'll talk about your personal fitness journey, how you started, what you learned, and how you used English to help yourself stay motivated.
I can't wait, sir.
Wonderful. See you all in the next segment. Keep listening, keep learning, and stay healthy.